The fish happy, healthy. Plants big. So we're gonna head down to the fish shop now. I'm not planning on getting any fish or anything like that because I think the tank is plenty full. But there is little bits of brown algae that I've been cleaning. But there is some algae on the side, so I need to get some to just break it up a little bit. In the back there, you see one of the Cory catfish. But yeah, we might get a female swordtail, if anything. But only if we see one that's really nice, just because he pokes her a little bit. Just have a look at what they have, and if they have any, maybe if they have some shrimp, I'd be interested, but I don't really think that I need anything for the tank. Potentially a female swordtail, but other than that, I really don't think so. And we're gonna have to make it a quick trip because it has just started to snow, and this could stick and be really bad really quickly. This is only the start. Yeah, this is only the start. We're supposed to get some serious snow tonight, so yeah, we'll see. Back in the fish shop, just gonna have a little look around, see what they have again. So, me and Jason are just stopping into a coffee shop. Picked up a new filter for the fish tank and some stuff to get, like, to help out with the algae. And I'm gonna pop back in tomorrow. Jason's seen some that he kind of likes, so we're gonna go back in and have a little look. And also there's gonna be new fish in there tomorrow. So yeah, all the new fish coming in tomorrow. The woman said that her brother has people coming in with the fish, and we're gonna drop in and see. And as I said, Jason actually seen something that he likes as well, so update you on that tomorrow if and when it happens. this was what was coming. This is only the start of it. It's supposed to be falling all night, and you can already see how much is falling. So we did our shopping at the right time, but we're still going to try and venture out tomorrow and go to the pet shop again. Alright, so we're going to head down to the pet shop again because they said they were going to get some fish in today, and I've discovered over the last couple of days male swordtail is really now bugging the female. So much so that we're probably going to get a new female today just to take his mind off her so he's not just constantly irritating her. But yeah, they said they'll have loads of new fish in today, so we'll have a look and see what they have. We got the snow anyway. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. We got cleared off the roads now, but we did get quite a bad snowstorm last night. I say bad, but I mean really good. We loved it. But as you can see, the snow did pile up a considerable bit. But the mountain closed today, so we couldn't go snowboard, which was less than ideal. So everything's full now. Awesome. We got 4 red rill shrimp, and we also got a lovely black and blue swordtail, and hopefully she's pretty enough to keep our swordtail from harassing the other one too much. Maybe she's so pretty that he'll just harass her all the time. But we'll see. And the shrimps are there, and I've wanted shrimp in this tank for a while, so we've got it. Now we're heading back. So we're back in the house. We've got the tank and all our little shrimp and fish here. I'm gonna put them into acclimate now, so I'm just gonna have to remove some of the water, put it in here, and then let the bag sit for about 15 minutes until the water gets up to temperature, and then I can release this. We'll have fun. So, have them all in here now. I'm gonna pour them into the net, and then we're gonna put them into the tank because they're acclimated now. All in here. Where did it come from? Where did it? Oh, the ball is over there. I see one of the shrimp. Yeah. He's over there, having a good time. Fish went here for some reason. One of them is over there. One of the shrimp is... So one of them's there. Here's one Put them in there. One got in. Is he in the plant? Look at the camera screen. Yeah. Right, so it's a couple of days later, and we had to do some drastic moves. The barbs really didn't like the shrimp, and I looked it up online, and apparently barbs just don't get along with shrimp. Now, the barbs I've taken out of the tank and put them into their own little setup for now, just because they were harassing the new fish. They were still harassing some of the fish that were in the tank, like the female swordtail and the bala shark. They weren't really concerned with the Cory catfish or the loaches, but the bala and the female swordtail and the new female swordtail were all being bullied away. Plus, they managed within 15 minutes of putting the new fish and shrimp in the tank, they managed to kill one of the shrimp. And when they killed the shrimp, I decided that the tank would actually do better if they weren't in it anymore, and everything else that got along could stay in there together. So now we have the shrimp in there, we have the new fish, we have all the old fish, and the barbs have their own little tub for the time being with a heater and a filter. And the other tank is doing great. All the fish are getting along perfectly, the plants are grown, and the snail and the shrimp are super happy, so I'm going to show you that. So here's a little snail, which is not really little anymore. Two of our swordtails, which have just disappeared. Bobber shark. Our new female is in here. She gets on really well with the other swordtails, and they're all with each other most of the time. The shrimp. Got one here. The other two are over here. As I said, one was killed by the barbs before I removed them. Everybody seems to be happy and healthy at the moment. So that's the tank update. And I'll update you again soon.